rolling through the city on these 4G auto skinny, cheap and bubble gum.
We're here at Dope Boys Picnic. Everybody just kicking it, having a good time. Pull up a park. I'm only gonna be out here for a little while, unfortunately. I got family stuff to do today. Good news. The El Camino right there is ridiculous. Yes. That's a dope thing right there. I like that thing. You have the good work, my guy. Got the whole thing right here. People pulling in. And it's crazy because I gotta make moves. But more people keep pulling in on some good shit. I heard through the grapevine, this is the loudest Jeep in the city. To be continued, y'all. One day I hope to get a chance to hear this thing.
Black man trying to break in my house again. Thought he got off the dope, doing time again. Even though my brothers do me just like that.
Go and check him out at CCA Audio, man.
Trying to snatch out one number.